Hello everyone, welcome back to Board Cortex. So in the previous video we have seen a single LED blinking using Arduino. In today's session we are going to see a traffic light. Okay, so the components are the Arduino and the breadboard and the LEDs. So I'll be taking three LEDs. So one and two and three LEDs. So the traffic lights have a color code, right? So one is red, yellow, green. So now I'll just change the color of the LEDs. So yellow and we record green color. Done. So next I'm going to take a resistor 1k ohm. Okay. So this is 1 kilo resistor. Next I'll connect all the grounds with a black color wire. So ground a cathode to cathode from one LED, then the one to another one. So now all the ground connections are done in a common. So next, from the resistor, I'll take a ground and place it to the ground pin. So now the ground connection is done. Okay. The next one, we have a three LEDs with a three outputs. So LED is always an output device that is called pin mode. Okay, we'll set it in our program. So now the anode will be connecting to the pin numbers of digital pins. Okay, so I'll just connect to the seventh pin number 7 and I'll change the color to red color. So I'll just change the wire color so you can identify what are the colors. Okay, so next the yellow color is there. So for that I'll just take yellow color and I'll place it to the pin number 6. So pin number 6 and the next one is green. So I'll connect green to, okay, let me change the color. So green pin number 5. Okay. So now I'll just connect to pin number 5. Okay, so this is done and done. So now all the pin connections are done. The next part is we need to write a program. So I cannot say, hey Arduino, turn on red, turn on green, turn on yellow like that, is it? So what I have to do? I have to write a program. So I have to write a program and put it into the microcontroller. So that will perform the task. Okay, so now we will start with the program. So how to write a program? We'll see. So as you know, we can just use the text or blocks or anything. Let's clear it. So now, so we have connected digital pins, right? So now we have to use the digital pins over here. So int. So you can use LED1, LED2 and LED3. So it's left to you. Or else you can also give red, yellow, green. It's left to you. Okay. You can give any name for the LEDs. Okay. You can give any name. So I'm gonna give red equals to 7. So I'm using integer number and it's a digital pin. So int red equals to 7. Why 7? The red LED is connected to the 7th pin. Next, int yellow equals to 6 because the yellow LED pin is connected to the 6th pin. So next, int green equals to 5 because the green LED pin is connected to the 5 number pin, right? The next one, so void setup. So what is void setup? Void setup is nothing but it is going to execute only one time. Next, so pin mode. So here we are going to set the pin mode, whether it is a digital pin or a anything. So it can be an input pin or an output pin, like that we are going to specify. Okay. So now here we are using LED. So what is LED? LED is a light emitting diode. That means it is emitting light. So that is an output device. So now I'll just use output. Okay. So for that I need to give a name of that particular LED and output. Done. So next, for yellow. Even yellow is also an output device because it is also an LED, right? That's why. And even green also. So pin mode, green comma, output. So my setup is done now. The next one comes a void loop. What is void loop? Which is going to perform continuously. So void loop. Okay. So void loop. Done. So now here we have used a digital pin. So now I need to use digital write. So what is this write? So there is a thing. So you can see digital write and digital read. We'll talk about that digital write and read the upcoming videos. Okay, so now digital write. So why I want to write digital write? Because I'm going to write some command to the microcontroller. This is a IC. It is called a at mega microcontroller. Okay, at mega. So for this, I'm going to write a code. Okay, so digital write red comma high. Why I'm making it as high? Because first always red will be blinking. So that means I need to stop my vehicle now. See, you can also write it a different way. You can also use digital write red comma high, and other two we can you can write later also. Or else if you want to do like this also you can do. I'll just give a description later. Okay. So next is yellow, yellow comma low, and green low, and delay of I'll give 3000. So you can see that. Okay, the next one is for yellow, digital right, and red comma low. Now red will be turned off. Yellow comma high, and green will be low, and the delay will be like I'll give 2000. So one the second it is minus. Okay. The next one, green color will be turned on. So digital red comma low, and digital right. Okay. So yellow will be low. Okay. And digital right, green comma high, and delay of 3000. I'll just close this and we'll start, and you can see it is blinking, right? It is turning on every 3 seconds, and yellow is turning on for 2 seconds. Okay, so this is how our traffic light works, right? So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos and please subscribe and press bell icon.